plant kingdom is incredibly diverse and full of potential. But the food industry still relies on synthetic and animal-based additives. What if we could unlock the power of plants to make the foods we love to eat healthy, delicious, ethical, and sustainable? From Chile, team The Live Green Co.
The big problems with the food industry is I see that the motivations are very different. It's always profit, profit, profit. And it's about how cheap can I make food and how long it can last. I think that's the problem. So Live Green it's a food technology company. We want to reimagine every single product in a supermarket shelf that is nasty, and we want to give people healthier and more sustainable options to that. And we wanted to give clean label solutions without using all the additives that the food industry works. We put the best minds together from across the world, and that is how we built Charaka, our recommendation engine, where we collect a lot of information from ancestral wisdoms, from existing research, and our own lab researches. And we come up with 100% natural plant solutions to be able to replace the animal as well as the synthetic and ultra-processed additives in the food. Once we had this amazing database that has the ability to replace, then we wanted to show something which is a tangible outcome. And that is how we launched products under the Live Green Co brand using Charaka's technology. Chileans consume more than 8 liters of ice cream per year, which is the highest in Latin America. So we wanted to give a healthy and a more sustainable solution to this one. And then we were like, okay, we were able to scan all the data from existing formulations that are available in the market and replace them with 100% plant alternatives. We used these top 5 formulations in the labs. We did a lot of lab testing, and then we brought the product from idea all the way to the supermarket store in just 90 days with less than $15,000 spent. We have seen that of the 450,000 plants that nature has to offer, less than 1% of that has been explored by modern science. And we want to provide solutions in all those categories. We want to build a technology company that helps already existing food manufacturers globally to take these healthier solutions of good food to everybody. And that's what we are aiming at.